Well, I've got my gun. Kill the ghouls now, so that's cool, but take a look around. Skipping over one of the more glaring issues. It's so boring here. First, I added a film grain over the whole level and enclosed my soon-to-be farmland with my brick wall. Then, I had the idea to give the whole game a pixelated look, which I think looks really cool. Well, this is horrifying. I bestowed our ghouls with the ability to speak and tested rocket jumping on the terrain. I decided I wanted to add some dead trees, so I hopped into Blender, made a sort of tree shape, slapped a skin on it, and bam, tree. I also gave the ghouls proper eyes instead of the glowing sockets they had previously. Starting on the gun, I added a muzzle flash particle every time you shoot. I also tested how the ghouls would look with red eyes, and I definitely prefer white. I found this revolver shooting sound from Scott on YouTube, and I think it works pretty well. And after what felt like forever of fiddling, I made a bullet decal that spawns wherever we shoot. And though it may look a little bit off, it is firing accurately. I had smoke particles wherever we shoot and realized that's not how that works, and made the smoke come out of the barrel instead. And if we hit an enemy that has blood, then blood comes out. And the last thing I did for this video was add a wallet. Just like COD Zombies, when you shoot enemies you get money, and when you kill them you get more.